Here's our Norcold 9162, basically 9000 series, old fridge. Since we got it, it was only working on LP. No matter you put it on auto or manually on AC, it will jump back on LP. So went to the shop, they diagnosed it, and they said we need a new power board, which is a common problem with these guys. And I decided to play with it a little. It's the power board. So some of the new ones you can manually reset. There's a connector, empty connector down here, and you jump that one of those pins to the ground, and they would reset the power board, which sometimes go in a lockdown mode after getting wet or overloaded or something, which I assume is this situation here. So what I did, because we didn't have any power to going to the AC heater, and I found that this relay, looking at the back of the board, this relay here closed the circuit to the heater. What I did, I grabbed a magnet, a powerful fridge magnet, and I played with this relay, and you can hear it click, and now we have power here to the AC heater.